Hi everybody, welcome to our first unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox our Lenovo 10e Chromebook. Now if you've ordered from Lenovo direct in the past, you know that they don't do fancy packaging or fancy boxes. It just comes in these brown boxes, which I really like because I tend to think if they box it up so cheap, then maybe I'm getting a better value with my product. But anyways, this is how laptops and Chromebooks typically ship from Lenovo. You can see there's a Lenovo sticker here that I just cut just prior to starting this video. And this is it. The UPS shipping label was right here. And that's the whole package. So let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna open the box. It's usually really minimalist inside. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I see is a safety and warranty guide. Don't really care to see that. Next is the Lenovo setup guide. I know how to turn on a Chromebook, so don't need that. And next is the Chromebook itself. You can see it's wrapped in foam, which is good. And it's in this plastic sleeve. Oh, it already started for me. Maybe it was already on. Did I push the on button? I don't think I did. But anyways, looks like it's booting up right now. Let's see what else is in the box. There should be a charger and a USB-C cable in here. Here we go. Here's the USB-C cable. Pretty standard cable. Here's the Lenovo charging brick. It looks like a phone charging brick. And if I read the writing correctly, it claims to be a 10 watt, 2 amp charger. It doesn't have a big battery and I really don't care. It was only $79. So look, it started up, it's welcome. Looks like the battery's about 1/3 of the way, so it's still running low. Now let's just check out the case. I really like this. This Chrome logo is pretty slick. I like how it's inset and it's smooth, and the rest of the case outside is rough. So that's a pretty nice texture. This Lenovo logo is pretty slick too. It kind of reminds me of my wife's X1 Carbon. It has that nice logo. We have the rear-facing camera. Here's a sticker. Here's an Energy Star sticker. I'll probably take that off. There are these points right here for the keyboard folio. I did order the keyboard folio, but it hasn't come in the mail yet. So as soon as it comes in, I'm gonna plug it in and try it out. Mainly we got this for my son so he can do Rosetta Stone and also some typing programs and things like that, and maybe some light gaming. So I think this tablet or Chromebook will be just fine. Now looking at the top of the tablet, there's the power switch, there's volume up and down, there's the headphone jack and a USB-C port right there. Now it says, let's go welcome. So I'm gonna try hitting welcome. So the first thing I do is I'm gonna connect to our Wi-Fi. So now we're up to the regular screens. I accept, checking for updates. I should probably plug it in pretty soon. There it is, it's starting up. I really like this texture here. It feels really nice. The corners are really nice and smooth. There does appear to be a slight crack on this corner and a crack here, but it might be by design. No, it's not by design. So it shipped with a little crack on the corner here, which is interesting. I don't know if the camera can capture it, but there's a slight crack right there. It doesn't go all the way across. It's only like this little corner tip right here. That's kind of odd. This one is not a crack. This is actually a seam in the case. But that's funny that that side has a crack. But it actually looks really sturdy. It feels really sturdy. It's not sexy at all. It's really chunky and fat, but this is perfect for my kid, right? So far the screen looks pretty clear. Let me sign in. And I'll enter my password. Looks like it's taking a little time for Google to sign in there, but I think that's pretty normal. I'll just review the options later on. Choose your pin. I'm going to select a pin. So it asks me to type my pin again. So now I have a pin on the device. Standard disclaimer, it's not like I have a choice whether or not I'm going to accept it. This tablet was only $79 on Black Friday, so really I'm not expecting very much. So if it lasts even a couple years or even a year, we'll be totally happy with it. And again, I really like this chrome detail, and I really like this Lenovo. It actually feels on par with my Yoga laptop as far as the build quality goes, so I'm pretty happy with it, I think. Pretty straight, everything looks pretty good. Except just this little bit of a crack right here in the case. But I don't think that's gonna bother me over time. Anyways, I hope you liked the unboxing. Thank you, bye.